How to open an HSBC bank account online in the UK. So first, go ahead and open any browser and type HSBC Bank, and then click on Bank Account. So you do need to be 18 plus to apply, and if you are, go ahead and click on How to Apply right here. So you can go ahead and read through this and just scroll down, and then you'll see who can apply. So you do have to be 18 or older, and you do need to allow a credit card check against your name if you live in the UK. You have to provide ID and proof of address, and you have to have read the important account documents that is given below right here. So you can select which type of account you want to apply for, if it's a sole account or a joint account. So go ahead and click on anyone. So here, these are some more criteria that you have to fulfill. So you cannot be an existing HSBC customer, you have to be 18 and above, and you have to be currently living in the UK. So these are the information that you might need for the application. So go ahead and click on Confirm and Start. So there are a total of 5 steps, and you have to start with your personal information. So go ahead and fill all these out, and once you've filled it, go ahead and click on Continue. And once you fill this page, only then will you be taken to the next page. And just fill all the information that it asks, and then once it's verified, your account will be created. So that is how to open an HSBC bank account online in the UK.